Hi everybody, I'm with my family. We're on our way to my first aquathlon. So I didn't know what an aquathlon is until I've signed in for the event. It seems like that I need to run, then swim, and then run again. It's a very short race, it's a very short competition, so I need to be focused. I will hope that I will get on time, so I will be able to perform some warm-up. I think it's very essential in this type of race. I've also set my Coros Pace 2 to be in a multi-sport mode. I will review it later on in this video. So let's hope it will be nice, and let's hope that I will succeed. And that's it. See you at the race. Bye.
Good luck.
Thank you. So in this type of event, you will get the total distance, and then you get the breakdown with all the transitions and everything. And then you can see the breakdown of each stage. In this case, I had 3. The first one was the run, then the swim, and then the run again. And whatever you can expect, the elevation and everything, the calories, the time duration. In order to set this mode, you need to go to your sport mode, and then you need to select multi-sport. Then you can go to settings, you go to workouts, then you can choose between 3 workouts. Here Coros is giving you the opportunity to choose from any type of workout. You can do flat water, rowing, gym, cardio, whatever you want. You set the first one, then the second one. Here you can see that I've set the open water, then the third one, and that's it. Now, how does this interface look like in real time? Here I'm starting the run. You can see the total duration on the bottom. Then you press the crown button. Now it's the transition time. Then you need to hold it. And the second stage starts. This is the open water. Again, you press this one. And when you hold it, you will get the transition again and the run again. After you'll press this one, in the end you can see the flag. Now your workout is done. Okay, so I finished, and it was okay, it was nice. I wasn't last, but I wasn't first as well. The thing is that I didn't really listen in the briefing, so I swam much more than I needed. There were 2 buoys. There was the yellow one and the red one, and I should have swim until the yellow one and then make another lap, but I swam to the red one. Nonetheless, I was very happy with the Coros Pace 2. I think for the multi-sport, in this case it was an aquathlon. It was easy to handle it, and it didn't bother me during the race. And I think the aquathlon is good. If you have an opportunity, you should sign up for one. If you're up to triathlons, so it's some kind of a triathlon from the same family, just without the bike. And because you start with the run and then you go to the water and then run again, so it's a nice mixture. I think it's a wake-up call for your muscles. It's the transition from water to running is something that I wasn't used to, and it was beneficial for me to experience that kind of race. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing it by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a good one. Bye.